Okay. Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Okay, my name is Paul, and I'm from Nigeria. All right, and I would like to thank my community, Microverse. Great people, wonderful community. They brought a lot of different tribes together, different countries together, and they made us friends. In that community, we love each other. We like our programmers and others. So my friends has put me to this, like to make a video to do tutorial on how to deploy a Ruby on Rails app on render. Okay, so I'm going to start sharing my screen. All right, so let me go to my VS Code. But before then, let's go to render and see what we have to do. All right, so let me shift this to the side. Okay, so render, we make sure you have created a render account before you start this. Okay, so on render, you can go to your dashboard. If you go to your dashboard, let me enlarge this. Go to your dashboard. If you go to your dashboard, you see docs. Okay, so you click on docs. If you click on docs, you to take to this session, and then under Ruby on Rails, under Ruby, click on Rails. Okay. Okay, clicking. So it will take you to the documentary of Rails, how to deploy your Rails app. So the beginning is going to be showing if you don't have a Ruby on Rails app, you can follow this instruction. So to make a custom app, okay, for the Ruby on Rails. So since I already have it, I'm going to skip it and scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Now, when you get to this point of go to the section of go production ready, then the first instruction then is to go to open our config database YML. Okay, so go to my VS Code, make sure that your app is on your VS Code, and then just check your dependencies by doing bundle install. Okay, everything is working fine, and then make sure that you are on your production on your deployment ready branch. So let me just check. Let me just show you guys. I'm on my production on my deployment branch. Okay, so I'm on my deployment branch. All right, nice. So now let me go to the first instruction render is saying. So that's a config. Under config, guys. So let's go to that should be what, or go to our database, right? So go to our database. But before then, let's copy this section of our productions. Let's copy the production sessions so that we can replace it. With okay, copy. So go to our database, the production session, and override it with the one of our render. Okay, so that has been replaced. So the second instruction is to, okay, if I scroll down, the second instruction is to go to our Puma. Then these are lighted lines. You check it with your help, with your session of your file, your Puma file. They should be in line. They should tally. Okay, so let's go to my Puma. Go to my Puma now. Here's my Puma. Let's scroll up. Okay, so the first three is correct. Okay, first three is the same. All right, then let's scroll down. Let's scroll down here. Okay, so this one too is also there. Also have that one there. So this is also there, right? Because it's here. Okay, nice. So let me scroll down here. scroll down. All right, I think where we have to start is well, make sure that everything is correct, okay? This place is going to be on check from 33. Go to your line 33 and uncheck it by pressing your control 4/. Okay, that has been then change this 2 to 4. Okay, remember to change the 2 to 4 because it's 4 on render. And then go on then this let's make sure that this is also part of our code. Let's go. Okay, so on line 40, you have to also uncheck that. Holding down your control, then just uncheck that, okay? That's uncomment that. That's what I mean. You uncomment that. Okay, cool. So let's see the next instruction render has for us. So the next instruction is to go to the config environment. Then we from the environment, we go to our production file, and then change this. That's in order to enable the our render environment keys to work. Okay, so you copy this part, just copy the whole line. Okay, copy the whole line. Hold on, wait for it. Okay, let's grab the whole line. Copy the whole line. Let's copy the whole line. Okay. Okay, so copy. Gonna copy the whole line and then go to the config, right? Config environments. Okay. Then go to production. And then find that line. That line is on line 25. Okay. You see line 25, you see we don't have a render. We don't have a render key. We don't have a render environment variable. So just paste it there. All right, cool. Then next instruction, let's see the next instruction. Next instruction is to make a build scripts. Okay, so you are gonna make a build scripts. Copy. Gonna copy it on that is under bin. Go to bin. Go to bin. Okay, this bin. Okay, go to bin and then make another file called render. Those sender. Okay, render those. So we make that. All right, somewhere I already have that. Okay, let me just copy this and override it. Now, believe me, you won't have it on your system. You might not have it on your system if you have not been doing this already. So, so I copy and then paste. Okay, so nice. So the next option is to make that file to be. Make sure that the file is has a executable permission. Copy this command and paste it on your terminal. Remember, guys, I'm using Linux, okay, Ubuntu distribution. So if you have a Windows, it's going to be giving you errors now unless you use your terminal. You use your terminal. If you have installed Git, then you can change to Git. You can change to Git Bash. Okay, just use your Git Bash. Okay, use this terminal. Okay, when you are on Windows. Okay. So that you won't get errors. Okay, let's go to the next instruction. The next instruction is to make this file in our root directory. All right, just copy that. Then go to our root directory. Okay, let's go to our root directory and then create that file. So paste. Okay, then copy the whole instruction for the file. Okay, nice. Copy, then paste it in here. Okay, cool. What's the next thing to do? Okay, we are here. We are here. Okay, we are here. So next thing to do is to just keep this 2-step, okay? Because we're going to deploy it manually. So go here and create your Postgres for me. Okay, let's create our Postgres. Okay, so if you are here already, let me enlarge the screen and then go to go to your click on your dashboard, okay? Click on your dashboard, and what else? You have to click on new, and then create a Postgres database. Okay, give it a name, any name that you want, but I'm going to give him Micronauts. Micronauts. Okay. Micronauts. As the name of okay, Micronauts. Okay, what's just happened there? Give it Micronauts. Okay. I've not finished. I didn't finish, but I guess I said the enter key twice. Okay. That doesn't matter because I have not completed the whole instruction. But make sure if that mistake happened, you can still edit them, okay? Or maybe probably delete it and create another file. Okay. So it's creating right now, so I can go to the render docs again. Then create a web service. I'm going to create a web service. Okay, I'm going to create a web service. Okay, why our database is still being creating. Okay, it's available right now, so I can just hold down my control key and so as to create another tab. Okay, sorry. Okay, now hold it down now. Your control key, and then click on web service to create another tab. Go through that tab, and then try and locate the name of your app, the URL of your app on your GitHub. So for my I call it this is the app of my friend that I forked. The branch of my this is the app of my friend that I forked. Okay, it's a very nice man. It's very wonderful. And it's my friend, and he even taught me how to do this render. Okay, so going to, oh wow, what did I just click? Okay, let me just go back. It's like I'm talking too much. Sorry. Okay, so let me click get it again. Yeah. Okay, I made draft. So you click on connect, okay? Don't click on the link, click on connect. Okay, give it any name you want. I'm gonna give it the name of my sister. That's Moni. Okay, that's Moni. On this region, you can choose the region that is closer to you. It's just relating to the service, and then make sure you select your. Okay, I've not pushed that to the. I've not pushed my branch, the deployment branch to GitHub. So let me quickly do that. Git add, git commits. Okay, let me show you later. Git commits. Okay. Deploy app. Deploy app to render. Okay. Then let me just push git push or the git push. Git push. The first time I'm gonna flag it with the upstream, and then it's gonna be origin. Then origin what's my branch name that's gonna be deployments, I guess. And I think that should go. Okay, but now right now, I'm just gonna pause the video because I'm gonna need my username and my password. Okay, so let me put my username. I've paused the video. Oh God. Okay. They won't see that. I want to pause it there, so then nothing's gonna happen.
No, like if they have a question, they will ask.
Ask. Okay, yeah, unless you are streaming it online, they can ask questions too. It depends on we just finished this. They can ask questions. If you ask questions, that means we are doing tutorial. Now, this one I just want to do something at and push it to GitHub so that they can watch. If they watch it, they give comments. They make it comments. So when I get online, I can answer their comments. Okay. So I go there and then copy this. Okay, nice. Copy. Okay, then do this. Paste. Okay, guys, I just finished pushing it to GitHub. All right, thank you. So now let's go to render. And if I go refresh, let me refresh. Okay. Okay, I guess I should just make another one. So make another web service. Okay, so come on. Okay, another web service. So I connect with this. Okay, but make if your GitHub have not been linked with properly with our render, you will see it at the left hand side Git. You click on Git. Okay, so it's gonna automatically generate it's gonna link your GitHub account to your render. Okay, so now the name is gonna be my sister name, Moni. Then the region is going to be the one, choose the one nearest to you, or just leave the default. And then the branch name now, you see the branch now. Now we have the branch now, development branch. Then once again, the runtime should be Ruby. We are using Ruby. And then let's go to the documentary again, and let's say the next instruction. So the next instruction is this build command, copy, and then paste it in there. Override that, paste. Then the next instruction, we'll copy the next instruction is for the start command. So copy, that's going to copy, then come back here and then paste. Paste. Okay, nice. Then what else? The next thing is to make an environment variable. Just click on advanced, right? Then click on add environment variable. Okay. So go back to your this, then scroll down a little bit. Okay, these are the key for the environment variable. Okay, let's copy this. Then I'm gonna paste it in here. Gonna paste it in here. Key paste. Okay. The key paste. Then let's do the next one. Okay, let's go and copy the value of our database. We are trying to link our database with so go to your database. If you don't see it, just check your dashboard and you see the name of you see the name of the database. Click on it and you see this part. Scroll down. Then you see this internal database URL. Just click on copy and then go back to your app. Then paste in the value. Okay. Then let's do the other one. Next one is to get this master key from your app. Let's copy the name of the key and then paste it in here. Make sure you create another new variable by clicking on that button and then paste it in. Okay, now we go to our app. But remember, sometimes you don't have this when you just newly clone your app from GitHub, because when you push to GitHub, it's not supposed to go to GitHub with your app. So let me see if I have it here. I'm going to delete them. Okay, this is a master key. I'm going to delete my master key. Delete it. Let me delete it. Let's say that you don't have it already. Let me delete that. And then if you delete your master key, make sure you also delete where is it? You're going to delete these credentials. These are credential files. Okay. You delete these credential files. Okay. Now you use this command to generate it. I'm gonna use this command. Let's see if I can get this command. This command to generate it. Okay, this command, see the command. We're gonna use this command to generate it. That's an editor mate and that. Click enter. It's gonna generate that again. So now we have a new one. But make sure you delete when you don't have your master key, delete, and you only have your credential, delete your credential, because if you don't do that, you're gonna get an error. Okay. So now it is really nearly created. Now I copy my master key. This is my credential also. You also have it there. Okay. So now I'll go to render and then supply the information. All right. So now we click on this and paste it in here. Paste. Okay. So create another variant and make sure that one is saved. We don't need this one and we don't need this one. We only need these two. Okay, right? So it's being created now. Now before we finish the whole thing, you have to go to your render YML in your root directory and then change this. Then change the name of our database. That's the name we give to it at the beginning. Okay, go to your database and then scroll up. Okay, I believe I name it Micronauts. I go to Micronauts and then copy and then paste it in here. Paste it in here. Okay, paste. Then what else? I'm gonna go to sorry. Let's go to the database name now. Because that one is just name for you to know what to save your database with or render, but this is the actual database name. Okay. So it's also name it Micronauts for me. Okay. It has also named it Micronauts for me. Okay, so I go down and then you can name it anything you want, okay? But it name it Micronauts for me, so paste it in here and then paste it. Okay, let me see what username it gave me. You can use any username you want, okay? But by default, it gave me Micronauts user. So I copy and then I'm gonna paste it in here. Paste. Then what else? So now the other one is for service, for the web service that we were about to create. I'm gonna finish up. So we're gonna scroll up now to see our. So the name is Moni, okay? Copy Moni and then paste it in here under the name and then paste. All right, I think that's better. I'm gonna type it as Moni. Okay, so it's in, and then you have to change this to your database name. That's a Micronauts. Okay. All right, so that is now fine. So now we have to push this to GitHub in order for it to have the latest commit. So git add. Okay, and then git push. Git commits. And after that, git commits. You have let me say add updates, deployments up to render. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video again in order to push it. All right, just give me right back. Git push. All right, go and grab my credentials. I'm going to copy my credentials, copy. And I'm going to come here. Where are you? Where are you? All right, nice. I'm going to supply my username first. So, all right. Then the password, supply the password in. Okay, guys, I did that because, you know, my password, I have to supply my password. So now it has been pushed to GitHub. And now I think everything should be set. So let's go to this place and where is it? So let's go to this place. Okay, let's see our documents, documentation. You see on the documentation, so now everything is set. So the next thing we have to do is to click on the last button here. It has a create web service. Okay, just click on that and let's hope that we're not going to get an error because I don't want this figure to be long. And if we even get an error, we're going to troubleshoot it together. All right. And if you don't get an error, I'm going to show you some errors that you might get during this development because I don't want you guys to get in block. All right, now so it's getting built and I've maximized the built window screen. All right, it's going on, everything is coming fine, going, okay, updating the dependencies on the render, render web. Okay, it is still working fine, still going fine so far. All right, everything's going. This is working. Let it keep on rolling, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. All right. It's really cool. All right, nice. Everything is still working very well. Yes. All right. And when you get to this generating container image, yeah, you're almost done. Let's say you are 85% done. Yeah, you get to this place, just smile, okay? Because your app is getting ready and it's having the chances of error now is very, very, very less. It's gonna be let's say 1.0. Okay, so let's keep on going. Let it keep on going, let it keep on going, let it keep on going. Come on. All right, let it go, let it go. It's going. All right, going. Come on. It's building already. All right, cool. Nice. Come on. All right, it's gonna take some minutes. Maybe I should pause the video. I don't want to speak. Okay, let me just let it be. Okay, let's see on the video. All right. Let me talk about the errors that you might get. Number one error is the one I've explained in the VS Code. If when you push your app to GitHub, with a GitHub ignore, it's gonna ignore your master key, so your master key is not gonna be pushed. So when you clone it newly, the master key file is not gonna be there. So for you to get a new master key, so you need to use that command, this command, edit equals to all this. But before you can use this edit equals to this command, make sure that your credential file is also not present. If it is present, just delete it, okay? Delete it, and the master key should not also be present. Just use this and create a new one. All right. Because if you just generate your master key without deleting your credential, it's gonna mess it up. Then Grinder is gonna generate some errors, and the error is your development environment and your test environment dependencies is not being deployed. Okay, that's kind of error message that you're gonna get. Okay. Okay, another error. Let me see if this has deployed very well. Okay, I guess it's giving us it has been deployed very well. Okay, so let's go to. Okay, let's minimize the window and then. Okay, I think it's nice. So minimize the window and then this a link under your web service name, which in my own case happens to be Moyi. And click the link, and then that will still lead you to your app. Not fine. Okay, let's wait for it. Let's refresh. Okay, let's go. There's something that's still happening under the hood. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, let's do it again. Fresh. Come on, refresh. Okay, let's see if it's gonna go again. Okay, now, so you see it's working fine now, so you can sign in. That's okay. I guess it's not ready yet. I think the service is very slow. Okay. So let's go back. Service is very slow there. Okay, let's do it again. Click on your link. See, it's not fine. Service is doing us, it's doing somehow. Okay, the service is doing somehow. That's our app has correctly been deployed. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna try it again. I think that service render stuff. Don't know why they are doing that. Just say so our app has been deployed correctly. and you can try and sign in. Now, this problem is not our problem, it's a render's problem, okay? Okay, all right. Thank you guys for coming. And I really appreciate you guys. I don't want to like extend the video. If you have comments, you can tell me. Okay, before we end the video, I also have to tell you, if you're using Windows, your command prompt when you want to make this file, which is this bin file, the render builds that we make. If you want to make it executable, you have to open your bash environment on your terminal, okay, for Windows and user. All right, so what else? Let me think of another error that one will have. Okay, on render, you make sure that you select the deployment ready branch, okay? Select a deployment ready branch. Okay, let me go to it. Can go to it again and through your settings, go to your settings, and then say use your deployment ready branch. Use it. So make sure it is in your deployment ready branch. All right, nice. So what else? What other errors can one have? Okay. Before you deploy to render, make sure that all your dependencies is also working correctly on your local machine. You check it with bundle install and make sure that everything is working, and also go to your gem file and make sure that all your dependencies are correctly added, because if they are not added, if you forget to add your gem device, if you use the device and you forget to add your device in your gem file and you do your bundle install, it's not going to be included. So when you push it on render is going to throw an error during the build container image. When it's building container image, it's going to throw an error, okay? So you have to add it again and then do bundle install and then push to GitHub and then do this. You're going to go to events, okay? Then you are going to click on manual. Then maybe you clear build and then cache and deploy, or do either of these, okay? Or do this first one or this second option. I recommend that, okay? All right. Because this third one, this one, you got on the specific comments, okay? So what else? I can't really think of errors now. I have like 8 errors, but I've talk about 3. Let me see if I still remember. Because okay, let's stop the video for now. If you have any comments, you have any questions, you can just put it in my comments section. Comment below, okay? That we see what I can do about it. Well, all right. Have a wonderful day. Let's keep on working. Let's keep on improving ourselves. All right. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, and thank you for having me. Okay. Gonna stop the recording. Okay, thank you. Nice. Stop sharing your many. It's your the screen is paused. Okay. I'm gonna hand you. My screen is paused. This will be a problem. I want to hand the meeting.